How do retirement plans define financial risk? By their very nature, retirement plans rest on weak foundations due to lack of control over risk. So what exactly is financial risk? Generally speaking, risk represents the chance of some unexpected event screwing up your plans. For example, in rugby, it may be the likelihood of you breaking your neck or seriously injuring yourself. However, everyone exposes themselves to risk, whether it's playing sports, driving, walking down the street, or painting your house. It's all a part of life. Financial risk is defined as volatility, and according to orthodox financial theory, volatility tells you how prices move around their averages. For example, let's assume a mutual fund has an average historical return of 10%. If the fund is volatile, returns may jump wildly above or below 10%. If less volatile, one may expect returns to hover around the average mark. How sound is high volatility, high return theory? Volatility is not a good measure of risk. The theory tells us that the higher the volatility, the higher the return. Financial markets are highly turbulent and go against what conventional models predict. As a result, one of the major objectives of modern finance is to try and predict future changes in volatility. For those who control financial risk, control profits. There is, however, one tiny problem. It is almost impossible to predict changes based on historical data, and the mathematical formula that try to tackle this problem fall way short of being considered reliable. So to sum up, volatility doesn't tell you much about return. The high volatility, high return philosophy doesn't hold. Standard measurements are unreliable predictors of volatility. If you cannot control or predict risk, how are you expected to control return or build wealth? Retirement plans and planning is based on assumptions that fall short of reality, and if those assumptions are wrong, the experts land up building plans that are dangerously risky. The approach by wealth creators is simple. Maximize returns at the lowest possible risk. Here, risk is simply the chance of you losing your money. Are you ready for financial freedom? If so, visit our website at waytowealthpro.com for your financial freedom 6-pack. Financial freedom secrets you can't afford to ignore.